Hello friends, welcome to VDS Tech Lab. So this is the continuation of concept of an API series. So let's open the PDF file that I made for you only. So in earlier videos we had discussion like what is parameter, what is path parameter, what is query parameters. All these things we had already discussed in this video. And what is base URL, what is endpoint, what is resources, we had discussed in API part 1 and part 2, that is parameters, query parameter, path parameter. And in this video we'll discuss what is URI and the pictorial representation of an URI. So we'll discuss in details. Okay, so let's start. So basically, what is an URI? URI is a uniform resource identifier. It is a sequence of characters that identifies a web resource by location, by name, or by both in the world World Wide Web, WWW. Okay, it is a method that allow for the uniform identification of the resources. Basically, there are two type of URI. One is URN, means uniform resource name, and another one is URL. Okay, so so if we'll draw this one, this is the URI. Okay, URI, and it categorized in two part. One is URN, okay, URN, and another one is what? URL. Okay, URL. So this is the URN means uniform resource name, and another one is uniform resource locator. Okay, and the example of URI we'll see. You see, this is this one. This contains URN and URI both. See, URI contains a schema name, authority, path, query, and fragment as well. So in the same way, what is URL actually? On the other hand, a URL, which is short form of uniform resource locator, is a sequence of characters that identifies the network location of a resource. Besides identifying a resource, URL also help to locate a resource by describing its primary access location. Okay, URL starts with HTTP or HTTPS based on their nature. Okay, when resource is web type. And this is the example of HTTP www sites. This one is the example. Okay, and now we'll see the pictorial representation, and I mean we'll categorize URI, and this is the URN and URL. And now see, let's suppose we have taken the example HTTP www.vdstechlabs.com index HTML post. So what is URN, what is URL, what is URI, and what are the resources? So see, so I have created this picture. So up till here, see, from here to here, what is it? Is a URL actually. Okay, it is URL. So, and this is the complete till starting to end. It is what? It is URI. Okay, and the URN up till it starts from www and till here, till HTML. It is URN, uniform resource name. Okay, and after that has post is a resource actually. So this is the basic difference between URI. URI is a complete path from here to here, and URN, it starts from www and till the resources, exclude the resources actually, and then URL is a include HTTP, and before the resource it is URL, and URI is complete. Okay, so URI, uniform resource identifier, URN, uniform resource name, and URL, uniform resource locator. Okay, so uniform resource identifier has two part. One is URN and another one is URL. Okay, so that's all in this video. This is the short descriptions of URI, and in the next video we'll discuss more important concept like HTTP methods and their behavior. All these things we'll discuss in the coming videos. Okay, so that's all in this video. Please share, subscribe, and like my channel. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.